Well, hi everybody. Yeah, this is Fred. What's Fred doing? Well, I sure ain't out there weed eating grass. Nothing. This is what I'm doing. I'm scrapping today, boys. Yeah, from the old air computer case. Yeah, I took out the processor. Took out the power supply. Took out the video card. Yeah, it had some screws that didn't want to turn loose. Yeah, it's been sitting outside here. That whole case there, yeah. That computer there, and that was Asus. And the chip that was in there, that was a 775. It was a 3.0, 3000 megahertz power supply down here. Yeah, that was the power supply case. It got all the wires. Yeah, wish I could use them. The only one that really looked good was the serial drive. Well, I'd probably throw them away, but that's what I'm doing just up here today. Just scrapping some coppers. There's some aluminum. And over here, that's where the aluminum is. Right there. You know, that's got some copper in it. Let's back it up where you get a view. Yeah, I done showed that, didn't I? That's the old video card. Here's the little video card itself. That's aluminum. This whole thing's aluminum right there. Everything except the fan. Yeah, I played a lot of games on that. Parts I'm gonna save. Yeah, that went over on the fan. Yeah, you can just see I'm just scrapping out. Yeah, old aluminum case there. Yep. It did have one memory RAM in there. I took it out and it looked like it was okay. Because I had it sitting over there, up under there. Didn't get rained on, but it got weathered. Yeah, no. Been cutting on some wires there. Guess I get this little aluminum plate here out of there. Yeah, just like I'm dissecting. Yeah, I put the Hercules on that case. I had to go over and get the grinder on some screws that wouldn't come loose. Yeah, that came in handy. Yeah, and good old my Phillips, my big Phillips. Yeah. That's Fred's pry bar. Yep. Yep. And that's Fred's drink. Don't mind if I do. With the Yoo-hoo. Yeah. Good Yoo-hoo, and it's about 88 degrees. Yeah, I'll cut some wires. Gotta get that there out of there. Yeah, it's only aluminum. I see is that plate right there. I know that there's aluminum. I say that. Just something to do today. Saw that out there in the bushes, and I was thinking, what's wrong with that? So I took it apart and just got that NVIDIA on there. Yeah, and this here was up around that. That was around there. I don't know if I can get that out. That looks like the processor to me, because that's the name brand. A little bit of copper. Them things there, don't know what they are. I'm gonna throw them in the fire pot over there, in the burn pile. If I hear something pop, I know what it is. That looks like, I don't know. I ain't no electrician, but I know how to take electrician stuff apart when I want some copper. So, that's what Fred's doing. Okay. Yeah, that don't turn no more. Yeah, as I got stripped out and got the aluminum off of it. Right down there. Took the grinder to it. Let's see if we can get it loose. One-handed. Yeah, that there was the heat sink that went to. Yeah. That was the heat sink. I ground the edges. I'm gonna save that. Make sure it's straight. I got sandpaper. Gonna use that. Yeah. Sandpaper down. It had heat pipes. This here went up on that processor up there. It had a little plate. Well, it had the computer chip in there. And this here had pipes on it. Little pipes that run up, took the hacksaw, whacked them. Then it had this other part. It was one of them cooler fans, but it had pipes. Had something like that, aluminum, up around that piece. So I'm gonna save it. You know, it's a big heavy piece. Add it to that right there, them aluminum plates. Yeah. Yeah, add another like aluminum plate to it. That one there. Add that aluminum plate to this. Yeah. Yeah, it's just the way I tinker. Yeah. Let the yoo-hoos and coppers and yeah. I know that's got a bunch of copper in there. That's the last piece of copper I see. Yep. So that's what Fred's doing. Just scrapping out that case. And that case, it's aluminum. That's all aluminum. Look through and see what I can save out of it. So I did. Yep, did a lot of computer games with that old case there. Yep. So I'm gonna finish getting this here scrapped out with aluminum and copper. I'm saving all the little screws. There's one down in there. I'm saving all the screws. If they ain't like rusted up, I save them. Where did I see it at? Oh yeah, it's down right there. That little screw. Down there. Yep, I'm saving all those screws to it and copper. Yeah, and the wires. I throw it out there in the burn pile. And when I burn the sticks out there, when I burn those, yeah, if there's any copper left off the wires, I save that. Yeah, just what I'm doing just today. Now here's that little metal. It's a little metal. It's rusted. You can see it. That went up there to hold that little fan cooler on there. It went onto that. It held it on there. That little thing there. So that's just what I'm doing. Just scrapping. Yeah, got the little tools. Yeah. So thanks for watching. That's what Fred's doing. Like I said, just scrapping me some metals and some screws. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.